Hello, guys. Welcome to Brainy Buddies. Can you guess what we're going to learn today? We are going to learn linear equations in one variable. What are linear equations in one variable? It's an equation with only one variable, like x. Like x, a, b, c. It's an equation with only one variable. The power of the variable is always 1. It is not x to the power of 2 or x to the power of 4. It is only x to the power of 1, which is nothing but itself. And then linear equations in one variable also shows a simple relationship between the numbers. It also only has one solution. It's not that complex, it has only one solution that we can find out with the logic. And the equation is usually written in the form as shown here. This is an example. So x plus 5 gives you 12. That is one of the linear equations in one variable. X plus 5 gives you 12. Now, how are some basic tips to solve these linear equations? These type. What are some basic steps to solve them? Step 1 is to simplify both sides. First is to simplify both sides. Remove if there are any brackets. This is compulsory so that you won't get confused and you can do the equation easier. Then next is to combine like terms. Then step 2 is to move the variables to one side. Use addition or subtraction to move the variables to one side. And then step 3 is to move constants to one side. So as you move variables like x, a, y, z, you move them all to one side. Now you'll move the constants to one side, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll move them to one side after you move the variables to one side. Then step 4 is to solve for the variable. Divide or multiply to isolate the variable. Now, as you have simplified the sides and as you have moved variables to one side and constants to another, now you can solve for the variable easily and peacefully. So, let's see some questions. Here are some questions to solve. Now, guys, hope you're ready with your pen and book or paper because you guys are going to be solving them with me. Solve the equation, pause the video, solve the equation. After you are done finding the solution, come back and let's discuss the solution. So, let's move on. First, we have 3x plus 7 gives you 25. So, as 3x plus 7 gives you 25, here 7 and 25 can be moved. 7 will be gone to the other side and it will become minus. So 3x will give you 25 minus 7. As 7 is moved to the other side, there will only be 3x isolated in the left hand side. So 3x gives you 25 minus 7. 3x gives you what is 25 minus 7? 25 minus 7 is 18. So 3x gives you 18. But wait, we only found the value of 3x, not only just x. So now we have to find the value of just x. How do we find the value of x? Here we are multiplying 3 with x. And when we multiply 3 on the left hand side, on the right hand side it will be divide. When it goes to the other side, it will be divide. So x will be 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 is nothing but 6. So x will give you 6. The value of x is 6. Let's move on to another. 2a plus 5 gives you a plus 12. Now what are some like terms here? 2a and a are like terms, right? So 2a, but how to combine these like terms? I cannot simply write 2a gives you 5 plus 12. No, I cannot write that. That is wrong. So why don't I write 2a minus a? Because on the right hand side, a is positive. When it goes to the other side, it will become negative. So I wrote 2a minus a. Same applies with 5. When we move the constant to the other side, those the operation of that constant will also change. So here we have plus 5, here we have positive 5. When we move it to the other side, it will become negative 5. So negative 5 plus 12. Okay, we have simplified the sides. There are no brackets. We have moved the like terms to one side and the other set of constants to another side. So what is 2a minus a? Let's solve the equation peacefully now. What is 2a minus a? It's 1a, which is just a. And what is minus 5 plus 12? Hmm. Now, how do we solve addition of integers if the numbers have different signs? If one number has negative and another number has positive, we'll subtract them and keep the sign of the number which has greater value. So here we have minus 5 and 12, right? Minus 5 and 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. And what is of greater value here, the positive 12 or the negative 5? Of course, it's the positive 12. So this a equals to 7 or a equals to plus 7. Anyway, you can write it. So a equals to 7 is the correct answer. I hope it was easy. Let's move on to another equation. So x plus 8 gives you 20. Here, when we move 8 to the other side, it'll become minus 8. Here we have plus 8. There it will become minus 8. So what will happen? 20 minus 8 is nothing but, wait, 20 minus 8. X plus x is 20 minus 8. And 20 minus 8 is nothing but 12. But what about the x and x? Should we just keep on writing it as x plus x, x plus x? No. Here, x and x are like terms. So here we can write 2x. Okay? Here we can write 2x. Now 2x and 12. As it's multiplying x and 2 on the left hand side, when it goes to the right hand side, we'll divide. So x will be 12 divided by 2. So x will be 6. That was really easy, right? Let's see another equation. 5 plus 2y gives you 3y plus 1. So what should we do here? What are some like terms here? 2y and 3y are like terms. So let's combine them together. When 3y moves to the left hand side or to the other side, it becomes minus 3. Minus 3y. Minus 3y plus 2y will give you, 1 minute. Minus 3y plus 2y will give you, when 5 is moved to the other side, when 5 is moved to the other side, it will give you minus 5, right? So minus 5 plus 1. So minus 3y plus 2y will give you minus 5 plus 1. Now let's solve the equation. What is minus 3y plus 2y? It is minus 1y. Minus 1y or minus y is equal to minus 5 plus 1. What is minus 5 plus 1? Minus 5 plus 1 is nothing but minus 4, right? When we subtract and keep the sign of the greater number, it's nothing but minus 4. So is it solved here? No, because we have to remove these negative signs, right? We remove the both of this and y is equal to 4 is your final answer. Okay, let's see another. 4m plus 9 gives you 2m plus 17. So 4m plus 9 gives you 2m plus 17. Here, what are some like terms? 4m, 2m are like terms. Yes, they are. So 4m plus minus 2m, because it will change its operation. So 4m plus minus 2m, which is nothing but 4m minus 2m. We don't have to write plus minus 2m. We can just simplify it as 4m minus 2m. Gives you minus 9 plus 17. How did we get the minus 9? When this 9 moves to the other side, it will become negative. So we'll get minus 9 plus 17. Now let's solve the equation. What is 4m minus 2m? 4m minus 2m is 2m. That's it. What is minus 9 plus 17? It is 8. So 2m is equal to 8. So on the left hand side, as we are multiplying, here on the right hand side, we have to divide. So m will give you 8 divided by 2, which is equal to m will give you 4. Okay, guys? Yes. This is it. It's really simple. Once you get the logic, you just crack algebra. Now let's see another equation. 3x plus 4 equals 27. Now what should we do here? We should apply distributive property. We can't just write 3x plus 4. We have to simplify the brackets as it is the step number 1 to solve the linear equations in one variable. So how to simplify the brackets? 3 will be multiplied with x, which will be 3x. Plus, when 3 is multiplied with 4, it will be 12. So 3x plus 12 will give you 27. Now we have simplified the sides. We have moved the like terms and the constants to one side, another side. Now we can solve it peacefully. Now, what should we do here? 3x is equal to 27 minus 12. This plus 12, when it moves to the other side, it will become minus 12. So here we'll get 27 minus 12. 3x is equal to 27 minus 12. What is 27 minus 12? 27 minus 12 is 15. So 3x is equal to 15. But that isn't simplified because 3x on the left hand side and 15 on the right hand side, well, if it's 3 multiplied with x on the left hand side, it'll be 15 divided by 3 on the right hand side. So x will be 15 divided by 3, which is x will become 5. Okay, guys? I hope you understood it and it was really easy. It's really fun solving with you guys. Let's see another equation just like the previous one. 2x plus 5 plus 3 gives you 25. So here we will apply the distributive property again. 2 into x will give you 2x plus 2 into 5 will give you 10. So 2x plus 10 plus 3 gives you 25. Okay? So now what should we do here? Here we have plus 3 on the left hand side. So on the right hand side it will become minus 3. So 2x plus 10 will give you 25 minus 3. What is 25 minus 3? 22. So 2x plus 10 gives you 22. Here we have plus 10 on the left hand side. When it goes to the right hand side, it will become minus 10. So 2x will give you 22 minus 10. 2x will give you 12. As on the left hand side, 2 is multiplying with x. On the right hand side, it will be dividing. So x at last will be 12 divided by 2, which is equal to x will be 6. Hope you guys understood it. And let's move on to another equation. X plus 7 gives you 2x minus 1. So x plus 7 gives you 2x minus 1. What are the like terms here? The like terms here are x and 2x. So x, and then when 2x goes to the other side, it will become negative. So x plus minus 2x gives you minus 7 because the plus 7, wait 1 minute. because the plus 7 on the left hand side will become minus 7 when it goes to the right hand side. So it will become minus 7 minus 1. Okay? Let's simplify the brackets here. Plus and minus is nothing but minus. So x minus 2x gives you minus 7 minus 1. So it is x minus 2x. It is equal to minus 1x or minus x. And minus 7 minus 1 is nothing but minus 8. So again, we'll simplify with the negative signs, we'll make it positive. So minus minus cut, it will be x equals 8. Okay, great. Let's see another. 4a plus 2 gives you 2a plus 10. Here, what are some like terms? 4a, 2a, they are like terms, and 2 and 10 are constants, right? These are constants. So we'll combine 4a and 2a. 2a, when it goes to the other side, it will become negative. So 4a minus 2a will give you minus 2, because when plus 2 goes to the other side, it will become minus 2. So it will give you minus 2 plus 10. What is 4a minus 2a? 2a. What is minus 2 plus 10? 8. So now we have to divide on the right hand side. So a is equal to 8 by 2, which is equal to a is equal to 4. Easy. Let's see another. 2x plus 3 gives you x plus 9. So we have to apply the distributive property here. 2x, it will become 2x here also, and then 2 multiplied with 3, 6. So 2x plus 6 give you x plus 9. Now, what are the like terms here? We simplified the brackets, and now what are the like terms? X and 2x are like terms. So here we can write 2x minus x will give you minus 6 plus 9. Minus 6 plus 9. You don't have to add the brackets to minus 6. Okay, so the positive x will become negative x when it moves to the other side, and the positive 6 will become negative 6 when it moves to the other side. I hope you guys got that concept. And now let's solve the equation. 2x minus x is nothing but 1x, or x is equal to minus 6 plus 9. What is minus 6 plus 9? Well, minus 6 plus 9 is 3. So x will give you 3. That was actually easy, right? So, any more questions? And I want to ask you guys that if you want me to explain any topic that's difficult to you, or you want to understand it more clearly, you can drop it in the comment box. I'll make a video on that and I'll give you guys a shout out. And you can also drop any questions in the comments if you have any. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Stay tuned for more videos like this.